If you're wondering why I blew my garage stall #1 space out, is because I want to clean some car mats. I have this Moosoo S2 stick vac, and let's see how well it cleans these mats. You know what? To make life a little easier, at least to record, how about taking this off and just making it short. I mean, why not? Okay, these mats are from a 2022 Mazda CX-5 Turbo. So let's see if this rig, and I'll run it on high, does the deep clean that I want it to do. Look at that. Well, I don't think that's too bad. You know, that's kind of a quick job there. It's got a couple of embedded dog hairs. Most people, I think, honestly, would find that completely effective. I don't think people would really complain about that. Let's see, here's a close-up of it. So that's not bad. That's all right. All right, next. But you see the brush roll on this? See the bristle type? Not really meant for carpet, even if it's low pile carpet, but it does okay. This is really meant more for bare floor. Trouble with this one hair right here. Let's get that out. You know, that's okay. That's not bad. Hopefully you can see that. That's fine. Let's see, we still aligned well? Okay, hopefully you can see all that. Yeah, obviously there's a problem when it hits that. All right, 3 out of 4 done. Did a good job. I love the bouncing head though, that's funny. By the way, happy Mother's Day. I'm doing this on Mother's Day here in May. Okay. I think most people would probably find that acceptable. That's pretty clean. So, what did we pick up? No, they aren't that dirty. But what did we manage to get out of this thing? And you know what? You're so far away. I think I'm going to have to get you a little closer. The bottom of this bin just kind of twists off. All right, bin dump time. That's it. Yep. Just out of those 4 mats. By the way, just in case this didn't work well, you know what I brought along with me? This is actually my favorite machine to use on car mats because it's powerful enough, it's got enough agitation, and it's maneuverable enough. It's a Shark NV22. It's a really, really old model. It's a model that has a real cyclonic assembly on it. So I will suck that up. Okay, just a quick Mother's Day video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more.